We're going to look at identifying domain and range of a function or a relation. So every type of thing we're going to look at is a relation between your x and y values. A relation is just a mapping or pairing of your input values with any output values. So everything is a relation. In any scenario, any x's can relate with any y's. A function, on the other hand, is a specific type of relation. A function is the relation where there is exactly one output value for every input value. And the output is the y, the input is your x value. So for functions where there might be like listed points, this would be an example where the x values don't repeat. So the same x value can't be shared with more than one y value. When we look at functions, we usually use function notation. So function notation is just kind of a way to name a function. So you guys might see it as f of x or g of t or r of x. It really just means y, but it's a type of way to name a function so you sort of know which ones you're talking about if there's more than one in the situation. So really, we're going to be focused on being able to identify the domain and range of a function. So the domain is your set of input values. It's the x values. And on your graph, that's going to be from the left to the right. It's from the least to greatest value if you're looking at a graph. If you're just given ordered pairs or points, it's going to be the x values. But the domain are the values that you substitute into a function. So it's really, again, domain is your x, whereas range is going to be your y values. And on a graph, the range is going to be from the lowest point to the highest point because that's the direction y goes. It's vertical. X is horizontal. So the range is your y values, and they are the values you get after you substitute an input or substitute a number in to the function.